I'm Lance Lightning, and I'm badass for one reason and one reason only. That's because I drink Mountain Dew Kickstart. Mountain Dew Kickstart is an energizing fruit punch with only 80 calories. Kickstart, the most amazing drink in the world, because now you can get them anywhere. Kickstart, isn't it wonderful?
No, I don't want to hear fucking excuses, Bradley. This is the last time. Last fucking time. When I see you, I don't care. Your grandmother's sick. Bullshit, Bradley. Bullshit. Don't play fucking games with me, Bradley. You know I can kill you. Any fucking possible second. Any possible second. Boom! You're dead! Be here in 5 minutes. Oh, you're here? Oh, I see you.